New friend ahead. Hi there, big gentle.
Nice cut on the steak. Feels firm, good marbling. We'll take one of these, please. And look at these tomatoes. Sun's still on their skin. Carrot for crunch. What do you think of that kale, partner? Yeah, looks fresh to me too. And that fish you're lugging, still shining like river water. Dinner.
Keeps the grain tidy. See that marbling? Can't ask for better. Last slice coming up. Stack looks good. Ready for the pan?
Hear that? That's the oil doing the work. No rush. Flip, let the other side kiss the pan. A sprig of thyme, garlic's already sweetening. Flesh is firm, good sign. We'll plate in a breath or two. Supper's nearly there.
Keep it snug but gentle. Looks tight, not torn. That's the feel you want.
Just the right heat.
Bubbles wrapping it in gold already.
Once it floats, give it a gentle turn. See that color? That's the crisp we're after.
Sounds like a little bonfire in a pan.
Easy. Right in the middle.
And the pot alongside. Smells incredible.
Chili sauce tucked close to the rolls. Just enough room for every hand at the table.
Roasted bird front and center. Look at that skin.
All the colors playing together.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Smooth, a little sweet. Perfect after all that cooking.
What were we toasting again?
To remembering what we're toasting. Close enough.